Hey pretties, welcome back to the channel. So I totally forgot to film an intro for this. So as you can see, we are just going to get started right into the video. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows first. I've been loving doing like a cream based eyebrow. I just got my eyebrows arched so they look extra sharp and crisp, and with that cream, I love it. I'm cleaning them up with some concealer on the bottom, of course, and foundation on the top. And I am using my C469 precision brush. It's by Crayon brush. I absolutely love it. I like to use this to clean up my brows, and I also like to use it to cut my creases with. Now I'm just taking my Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to go ahead and buff out the concealer at both the tops and the bottoms. I sometimes use a little smaller brush that I get from Profusion. It normally comes with one of their kits, as you can see me using right here. I love that too because it just makes the makeup blend down seamlessly into the skin, and it gets into those nooks and crannies like in the inner part of your eye. Now I'm going to put some concealer on my eyes. I'm using Warm Beige from Too Faced, the Born This Way collection. And at this point, I normally prep my skin as well. I'm going to put some of the Cetaphil on. I've been hearing some bad things about Cetaphil, so I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to use it. But as of right now, I do like it for myself and my clients. And now I'm going to take this duo I've been doing. It's the Derma E Radiant Face Oil Drops and also the e.l.f. Booster Drops. And I just put that on my skin. It just makes my skin look nice and plump and hydrated and ready for the makeup. Now I am just blending out that concealer on my lid. And I'm going right into my Juvia's Place palette using the color Ada. And it's a really warm, deep red. And right now I'm focusing on not so much blending, but really patting the colors in. And on top of that, I'm going to take the color Burkina, and this is going to be the color that I softly transition it with, so it's not such a harsh line between my brow bone and where I put that red eyeshadow. After that, I go ahead and cut the crease. I do believe I take a darker brown on the outer V. I'm not sure where the footage went, but I do believe I took a little bit of just a darker brown from the Violet Floss palette. Now I'm cutting my crease with the 6469 precision brush. I'm doing like a half cut crease. My eyes are so funny, they're so small. So sometimes when I cut crease, I feel like they come out perfect. They come out perfect looking to me head on, but I just hate when I take pictures, they don't look wide enough. So I think what I need to start doing is doing more of an angular cut crease for my eyes. I can't really do one that sits up so high because it just does not take pictures right. But I say all that to say to help anyone who has eyes shaped like mine as well. Now I'm going into the Box of Crayons palette, and this is where I'm getting majority of the colors from. I'm going to use that yellow, and the yellow is so pigmented. I was actually surprised. I think it was my first time using the yellow that comes in this palette. And I'm just pressing it down. I'm actually curious to do this look without glitters next time to see if that yellow stays so pigmented. Now I'm using the white, and I'm going to take that in the inner tear duct. And after that, we're just going to take a little bit of glue, being careful not to disturb the shadow I put down. And now I'm taking my pigment. This one is called Bollywood. It's from Peaches and Cream Makeup. And I'm just patting that on. Next, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills pigment. It's a pigment glitter, I would say it's more so like. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll have it listed down below. And I'm putting that in the inner tear duct. After that, I am going to add my liner. I've been addicted to using the e.l.f. liner, but I am looking for something that's darker. So if you have any suggestions, leave those down below. Just gonna go ahead and do my wing line, and then after that, I'm going to put on some lashes, and these lashes are for my upcoming lash line. These are called the Candi Lash. So I do hope that y'all like these lashes, and just stay tuned for when I'll be dropping them. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on some peach corrector. I always put this around my mouth, a little bit under my eyes sometimes when I need it, and across my nose when I need it. Next, I'm using the Can't Stop, no, I'm sorry, the Stay Matte Not Flat foundation. I have the Can't Stop Won't Stop, but I'm not using it this time. I'm using the shade Deep Olive. It's a little bit more red than my skin complexion, but I like it because I like to go a lot more yellow when I use my concealer. So this actually just offsets my skin and it makes it look good to me. Now I'm going right in with the color Mocha, and this is from Too Faced Born This Way collection. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the areas where I'm concealing. And once I'm all done with that, I use the color Cocoa and put those in the areas that I would like to contour. Now I'm blending everything out with a damp beauty blender. I love the beauty blender, y'all. I can't get with the Real Techniques sponge. Are you team beauty blender or team Real Techniques? I don't know what type of weird motion I was just doing with my mouth there. I wasn't even chewing anything during this tutorial because I don't eat when I'm doing makeup, so I don't know what that's about. Like, if YouTubers, you know, when you look at yourself back in camera, you're like, what the hell is going on here? I'm super hyped, y'all, because I found my CoverGirl Ebony bronze. Remember this bronzer that I absolutely love? Right now online, you can only get it online. It's $23. I'm not paying $23 for it because it's only $7, but I'm happy I found the last of it in my purse. There was actually a hole in my purse. Oh my God, how ratchet. And it slid down in there, but I was like, oh my gosh, I found my CoverGirl Ebony bronze, and it makes a big difference in my makeup. I put this on before I actually put on my actual contour. So yes, I do use it like a true bronzer to bring brownness back into my skin. And I'm gonna dust off my powder. I use the Peach Blur from Too Faced powder, which I have to restock up on. I don't have that much of it left. All right, what's cooking now? Oh, we take a little bit of the blue. Do you ever, oh my gosh, a little bit of the blue from Crayon Case. What I was about to say is I sometimes forget like what is next as I'm going back and doing these voiceovers. It is the funniest thing, but I know y'all probably like, this is the most ratchet makeup tutorial ever. All right, so I spray my face and then I'm gonna go in with the Loreal Lumi Shimersita. And I forgot how much I like this highlight. I'm really digging it when I put it on. I'm just gonna glow, baby, glow. And after that, I'm gonna fix my hair, fix my top, throw me on the lip, and damn, girl, there we go. Tutorial is done. I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you will share, comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know any other colors and makeup things that you wanna see. I'll see y'all next time. Until then, stay pretty. Bye.